Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing a review on the Victorinox Classic SD. So yeah, so all the tools that it has on it, it has a little mini knife, and it has a nail file with like a little tip on the end, so like you can clean stuff with it, like if you need to, like, I don't know, clean in grooves and stuff. Has scissors. So these are tweezers in these scales. As you can see, they go right back in there. And then on the other side is a toothpick. And then finally, to top it all off, we have a little keyring right there. So you guys, hope you enjoyed the review. This is a very highly recommended knife brand. There is lots of other ones, these reviews on my channel that are coming up soon. But in the meantime, take care and stay tuned for a lot more videos. See ya.